Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday 28th. It is recycle. You're backing out. Oh, I gotta get out. Oh, uh-oh. Nope. All night, all morning. Still had to wait because I gotta go to the post office and I have to go to the bank. Uh-oh, can fell. Uh-oh. Oh, you're close to hit that car. That'll be your butt. Glass. Gotta go take that around. It's an Emilius cycling truck. Wait. I need to start moving. I need to start backing up a little bit. It's gonna be getting close. Yep, starting to get close. Yep, cardboard you gotta pick up. Or not. Uh-oh. Run. Whoa, what's that noise? Oh my. It's all glass. Oh, run again. More glass. Yeah. I need to keep going. Run. I see a nice day out here on blue skies. Uh-oh. Yeah, get in there. Get on there. Oh my. Oh, come out. Oh, come on. Those things. Oh, safe. Cycles should not be stink like that. Ew, that's gross. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. It came about 1:20 in the afternoon. I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Hope you enjoy the recycling video. See you later. Bye.